Let's have an example about calculation of labor turnover. So this is the question. A Kamwes group of companies had 400 employees and 40 employees left during the year and 45 were recruited. Compute the labor turnover rate. Rate, it means that it's going to be in percentage using the three methods. We have three methods: separation method, replacement method, and then the flux method. So we start with the separation method. Separation method. So the formula is the number of levers divided by the average number of employees times 100. So how do we get the average number of employees? So average number of employees, we just get the total number of employees, which is 400, divided by 2, which is 200. So that is the average. So for the separation method, the number of levers, they said 40 left, so those are the levers. So 40 out of 200 times 100, what we get is 20%. So that is the labor turnover rate according to the separation method. Then for the replacement method, we get the number of replacements divided by average number of employees times 100. So they were like 45 were recruited, so those are the replacements. So 45 divided by the average number of employees, which is 200, times 100. What you get is 22.5%, and that is the labor turnover rate according to the replacement method. Then the flux method, we said it is a combination of the separation and the replacement. So it is the number of levers plus the number of replacements divided by the average number of employees times 100. So the levers were 40, replacements were 45, divided by 200 times 100. This is 85, divided by 200 times 100. What you get is 42.5%. So this is the labor turnover according to the flux method. Yeah, since it's a combination of this and this, when you add 20 plus 22.5, you get 42.5. So this is how we calculate for labor turnover, but usually in the question they ask for one method, so you should be knowing all. Yeah, so that is how we calculate for labor turnover.